In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and make sure you're in the Sales app. This is where you'll find the payment settings needed for this setup. Once you're inside Sales, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Configuration. A drop-down or menu will appear, and from there, select Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo lets you manage the payment methods you want to offer through your system. If you're setting up online payments for customers, this is the place where everything begins. After opening Payment Providers, take a moment to scan the available options until you find PayPal. Once you locate PayPal, click Install. This tells Odoo that you want to activate PayPal as one of your payment providers. Depending on your system and internet speed, it may take a few moments for the installation to complete, so just wait until the page fully updates. After that, Odoo will prompt you to connect your PayPal account. At this stage, you'll need to sign in through the secure PayPal login process and enter your account credentials in order to complete the connection. Make sure you're using the correct PayPal account that you want linked to your Odoo system, especially if you manage more than one account. It's also a good idea to double-check that your browser allows pop-ups or redirects if the login window doesn't appear immediately. Once you successfully log in and approve the connection, PayPal will be linked to Odoo. That means your system is now ready to use PayPal as a payment provider, making it easier to accept payments through your sales workflow. If needed, you can return to the Payment Providers section later to review the status and confirm that everything is active and connected properly. And that's it. The process is very quick. Go to Sales, open Configuration, select Payment Providers, find PayPal, click Install, and then log in to connect your account successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.